plastic. Oh, Sam is seeking refuge behind you, you traitor. We need more.
Okay, I think we're about to give it a heart attack.
Maybe it'll pass out and we can get it.
Go ahead, just grab it now. Don't go slowly, don't go.
Oh, no, wait. Okay.
He nearly crushed it. Oh my god.
So now what?
Bloody hell. Sam, how are you doing this? Did he get hurt?
Okay, yeah,
Well, grab him!
Oh god. Oh my god.
He's in the closet. Shut the door.
No, don't shut it in our closet.
Yeah, that's a good point. That's our closet.
So if it was someone else's closet, it'd be okay.
Okay.
Where is it?
My face is going in.
Yeah, I hope I don't kill the bird.
I know, I hope it's not. It better not be my jacket. I bought this jacket.
Wait, I see.
Okay,
Okay.
it is.
Wait. Hold on. I got some more Ritz.
Okay, just put it in here then. Yeah, on both these boxes.
Just pour Ritz everywhere.
You want to be a king? You want to dine like a king, buddy?
Careful, let me get the other Ritz.
I have fudge.
We should call it Simon. Simon's a good name for a bird.
Where is he?
Jasper's overused though.
Hey, buddy.
No, by what was Jafar's bird? No, that's Iago. We should call it Iago. Yes, I found a name.
It almost sounds like a
It's
plane.
Iago.
Iago? Iago's good.
Yeah.
When he flies, it sounds like a plane trying to start up.
It does, doesn't it? Like propeller.
He's behind your suitcase now, by the way.
That's. I took this bag to London and Dubai and Australia. You do not soil this bag.
Ended up shitting all in your bag. That's the same bird that crapped on my head.
You and this bird have a history, sir.
I hope it's not the same one.
I hope it didn't. I didn't crush it though.
He's in the closet.
Wow! Look at that! Look at that! It's like in that corner.
Hey, buddy.
Poor birdie.
We need to scare it back into the hallway.
Yeah, let's use the vacuum.
I think we
No,
really
move the
scared
vacuum and
crap
try to
out of
grab
the
it.
vacuum.
What are you doing?
Bloody hell! Sorry.
No, what are you doing with the top? Why is the cord?
Boxes.
Oh, okay.
I could have bought you at PetSmart, but no.
We should just get a bird cage, fill it up with food.
I think the Roadrunner, isn't it? Was smarter. This is just small.
And annoying.
Tim, take the bag out.
I think the Roadrunner is just annoying and fast. I don't think he was very smart.
It was when he had jetpacks on, he could even barely catch up to it. It was awesome though. I liked it. But
Roadrunner was awesome. I just don't think it was very smart.
yeah, it wasn't smart.
It was
no.
just stupid slapstick comedy.
It was.
Where's it gone?
How'd you lose it? It's in a closet.
Huh?
Is it between the doors?
Definitely.
Oh, it's up there.
Wait, hold this door.
I've got a way to keep it underneath the main.
Oh.
Alright.
He's up top. He's up here.
Well, this might not work very well, but hopefully it'll like.
Oh my god.
Oh my god! Oh, no!
Right over.
No!
Right over.
No! No! Where is it? Where is it?
Oh wait, okay, now we've
He's in the
moved-
bed. He's in the bed.
Yeah, now we're just trapping it in here.
No, don't pull down!
You were just a little late.
It's near your sheets on the bottom. I think we need to call in.
We should put a TMA server request in.
Hey,
We got a bird.
2 weeks later, we came, we went there, so we'll come back later.
Hold on, that sounds about right.
We don't catch birds in this storm.
Sam will wake up next morning and just like, it's right here.
Set the trap back up.
Okay, yeah, let's.
We can. Should this move? stuff under my bed, just move it away.
Yeah. We need more boxes.
Hey, I think you got down. Alright.
Yeah. I got 2 people gifts from there.
People get from there all the time.
I got the electric guitar shirt thing.
Is that good?
It is. You just have to learn to play it though. Wait, okay. It's just these sheets though.
Behind the sheets?
Yeah, just leave the dresser doesn't matter. It's just these sheets.
Is it behind the sheets?
Yeah, because it fell
If it's,
down.
if it's behind the sheets,
It's technically trapped.
trap it and then like grab it from behind the sheets.
How? Alright.
Go in there.
Which one? Which?
Hopefully not choke it.
Well, yeah,
Get it.
And then we'll have wings tonight.
Ah, good wings.
Hey, birdie.
No, hopefully it doesn't peck your eyes.
Oh jeez. Did you catch it? Catch it.
Bit me.
Oh. I've been bit by an ostrich. It sucked.
If I was bit by an ostrich, I'd kill that thing. Does it?
No, I was in my car and it stuck its head in for some food and I gave it some food. I was like, man. I was like, roll up window.
Just all over there.
Oh my god, I had it!
Where'd it go?
It's up here now.
Use the cape to win.
He was like in my hand.
I hear it. You hear it? Fan it out.
Oh, he's holding on to the.
Oh, there it is.
Okay, wait. Character sheets.
Oh.
Okay, wait.
What do we do now?
Now give me that bigger box.
This one? Mr. Cross? No, 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 no.
No, 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 no.
Hurry.
Bloody hell, not my bed.
It's okay if it's his bed.
No, it's not.
Come here, Birdie, we don't hurt you.
You got it? Where is it?
I don't think they respond to that.
Oh.
There he is, hold on. Let me
No.
get it.
You can get it? I need
Oh man.
liquor after this. Not my Superman glass. Oh wait, that's in my bathroom. Okay.
That was gonna be in your bowl, though.
Ah, I like cereal, so it'll give me a different
I
taste.
was talking about the other bowl.
Go put milk in your cereal for you.
Oh God, he will. That's the
Bird, you can't hold on there. I'm sorry, it doesn't work that way.
Okay, maybe if we punch holes in this, it'll go in it.
Oh wait, he's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. He's gonna do it and fly away.
Here.
Poke some holes in it.
Here. You got it? You can do this. Just go in. Oh my God, he's got it. He's got it.
Okay.
Oh jeez.
I need to take a video of this. Sorry.
It's already being. No, I'm just gonna hold it. Take it outside.
All right.
Someone
Come on,
grab the
Brady.
camera. Someone grab the camera.
I got the camera. Wait, which camera?
Mine's already on.
You got it, Tim? Is it?
I'm sure he's freaking out.
Yeah.
Look, now you can see it.
Oh no!
Oh. So much for that.
Why does it like my bike so much?
I don't know, but it's easier to catch on the bike.
Yeah. Look at it perched on my bike.
If I can get him.
Bird escape.
Close he goes.
Yeah, I noticed.
No, I'm telling him to the camera.
Guys, you can't hold on there.
Oh. Is it rolling?
Yeah.
Better close this up.
Put him in this box next time.
Ignore the rough ones in there. It's just there.
We don't know.
He's up.
There we go.
We're so close.
Maybe we should
can
try a
climb up.
different approach.
Oh. What is it trying to do?
It sees light and doesn't understand the windows, I guess.
Physics. Understand it.
Wait, here. Maybe we can rescue him?
Alright, time out, guys. I need to catch my breath. Two.
You need to catch your.
I'm talking about the birds, like probably thinking that we've chased it up and down the hallway like 6 times before you guys even came out. I think it's probably rolling. You got it?
I'm gonna kill this thing.
Almost.
Oh.
Bloody hell.
Okay, should we put it in? Let's put it in the box.
No, I mean, should we?
No.
I'm just gonna hold him tighter. I was trying not to hurt him last time.
Yeah. This time it doesn't matter.
Well, this time I think you're gonna hurt him more if we keep letting him run around in here.
Yeah.
There, go on, get the bird. Oh, you got the bird.
I got my one hand now.
All right, we got the bird.
There's
Trying
so
to take
many
it outside.
The bird
Now we're
is
gonna
got.
have like. I'm gonna put up a sign, by the way.
Yeah, holy.
He caught it. He's like.
Careful.
He keeps trying to get away.
I wonder why.
Yeah, we trapped it in the closet and then we trapped it under a bed. If he gets out in here, I'm gonna cry.
Oh God! Yeah.
Oh, okay.
No, don't let it go.
That right there.
Please don't go away, bird. Okay, what you got in your hand there? So it's like an awesome thing to walk up to someone and it's like, hey, you wanna see what's in my hand? Release. Peace.
Oh, we have spent the past half an hour
Yeah.
trying to get this bird.
I swear, if it comes back in the building, though.
Okay, it's probably gonna go to the building.
upstairs?
That's what we were wondering. I think it's a stairwell.
The doors.
Take him to a tree.
As long as it doesn't go back into some building like A area.
That'd actually be really funny.
What we should do is just release it now. I paid for going.
Don't release it in the comments.
No, dude.
Oh, epic release.
We gotta get it.
All right.
Do it.
Hope it's not dead.
Come on, buddy.
It falls back down on you.
All right.
All right.
That'd be terrible. You open
We'll
your
miss
hands
you,
and it doesn't
Iago.
come out.
The bird has been
Iago.
successfully captured and released.
Congratulations, Travis.